Let's download and install SOLIDWORKS connected from the Compass. Compass is similar to the App Store on your phone. Search for the SOLIDWORKS connected app, and add it as your favorite. Click the app icon to launch the installation. If you are using it for the first time, the platform will ask you to install the 3D Experience Launcher. It is the basic application that is needed to start all your installed apps. Once the launcher is installed, you can proceed to install SOLIDWORKS connected by clicking Continue. The installation files will be downloaded and SOLIDWORKS will be installed on your computer. A message may appear, with links to install the latest Java version if needed. A notification appears, informing you that the installation is successful. You can now launch and enjoy working on SOLIDWORKS as usual. You have the option to save locally to your PC, or to save to your secure cloud storage on the 3D Experience platform. You can also explore the next steps, and check out the installation guide if needed.